Hey guys, it's Thomas here from Total RC, and I'm just getting back into aero modelling, so I've decided to pick up a new Spektrum NX8 transmitter, and I'm trying to set it up for the first time. Things have moved on since last time I was flying, so let's get on to finding out how to find the blooming serial number, because Horizon Hobby, Spektrum RC, whatever, their instructional material is incorrect. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's really easy. So what we need to do, first of all, power on your transmitter. Okay, and this presents this screen. You need to press this little one here, the function bar, and scroll down until you find system setup. Now you need to make sure that your RF will be disabled, so obviously don't do this when you're flying, and click yes. Now what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, about dash or / regulatory. And there is your serial number. The long one here, including this top line as well, all the way to here. So I'm going to blur that out so you obviously don't try and use my serial number. But I hope you found that helpful. I wish someone else had done this video ages ago, because it would have saved me loads of time trying to mess about, trying to find it myself. Stay tuned for more helpful videos. See ya.